恐龙的时期一直是一个真趣味的时代。科学家为恐龙号名已经满200年啊。2个世纪以来，为欧美到中国，拢捌发现过恐龙的化石。不过，恐龙毋但是考古界热门的话题，嘛是真侪科幻小说甲影视作品的题材。加上目前对这个领域也有真侪无了解的所在，未来可能爱借人工智慧来找出答案。
虽然1824年2月23日，英国古典大学地质教授威廉·巴克兰伫多成立伦敦地质学会发表演讲，证实西元1800年代初期，伫古典附近采石场发现真大古生物的骨头，毋是传闻，是千真万确事实。巴克兰迄一天将这种在当时被认为是古早真大笃定的生物，号名叫做斑龙，拍开史上第一只恐龙的面世。
And Buckland gave them a name. He called them Megalosaurus, and he described these bones as belonging to a type of giant reptile that used to live at some distant point in history, but wasn't alive anymore. And that moment really was the beginning of our cultural fascination with dinosaurs, which continues today.
差不多2亿3千万到6600万年前，恐龙在地球生存超过1.6亿年。其实，有关人类发现恐龙化石上早记录是西元1677年，也是伫英国古典。迄时阵也无号名。威廉·巴克兰替恐龙号名，互恐龙概念正式行入大家眼内。200年后今仔日，总共发现2000种。每年有50种新恐龙物种被发现，恐龙化石也已经遍布世界各大陆。
The first ones were named and described from England, but now there's dinosaurs from every continent. And a lot of the most important new discoveries are coming from places like China and Argentina, Brazil, Mongolia, South Africa, these enormous countries that are growing very quickly, where there's many young paleontologists out looking for fossils. And all of these new fossils have totally changed our perception of what dinosaurs are.
不过，人类目前对恐龙科学认知犹原伫发现阶段。在这一段的公布时间轴当中，人类真歹发现所有种类的恐龙。目前已经知恐龙的种类当中，有关因的生活习惯、大小、外观甲分布、甲地球环境改变是毋是有关系，拢还有真侪味。愈来愈成熟的人工智慧科技，未来会伫恐龙研究领域当中扮演重要的角色。
We want to understand the big patterns of dinosaur evolution, how dinosaurs changed over time, as the Earth was changing over time. It's these enormous databases that can be analyzed by AI techniques that are going to give us that really critical insight.
在人类第一摆替恐龙科学号名200周年时间点，恐龙世界也有真侪需要人类去探索，包含咱也无完全清楚恐龙为什么甲如何会变甲这么大，身躯为什么各种无共款色水的毛，搁较毋知影一个有声音的恐龙世界是什么模样。公视新闻景元庆编译。